I'm Sarah Harris, and welcome to a Fiddle Care Minute. Today we're going to talk about peeling thumb grips on bows and why they happen and what we can do about it. So what you'll need for this session is a bow with a peeling thumb grip, a little bit of wood glue, a little piece of paper towel, and your fingers. So let's talk about what a thumb grip is and what it does. So it's kind of a finishing on a bow that helps keep the winding in place. And it's also a place to typically rest the first finger of a string player while they're playing on their instrument with their bow. And the seam of this thumb grip is on the bottom, usually for aesthetic reasons, but that does put it right in the line of fire of the thumb, which also goes under the stick of the bow. So that poor little seam gets a lot of wear and tear, especially if more people use this bow throughout the day. Orchestra teachers know that a lot of our equipment is shared by many students throughout the day in different class periods. So this bow gets a lot of use throughout the day, and that thumb grip, as expertly as it was applied, will only last for so long with being handled so often. So that little seam starts to come undone, and this is the point where I want to try to save this thumb grip, because the going rate for replacing a thumb grip is usually about $100, which is not exorbitant at all. That's exactly what it should cost, because a master luthier has really practiced this skill for a long time to get this to look as great as it does and to protect the bow and for it to stay on for as long as it possibly can. But with a lot of wear and tear, it's going to wear out sooner. So if the going rate is about $100 per thumb grip on a bow, say I'm an orchestra teacher, at the end of the school year, I have maybe 10 bows, it's usually more, that have peeling thumb grips. That's $1,000 that my school district suddenly has to come up with for thumb grips, which no one really knows or respects what they're for. So that's a hard thing to justify spending $1,000 on. So let's see if we can save this thumb grip, which we definitely can. So you're gonna find the peeling edge and try not to peel it any further. You're gonna put a small amount of wood glue under the seam. You're gonna press it down to try to reseal the edge, which has been beveled from the inside. So it should lay flat across the top. You're gonna hold it down. Of course, a little bit of wood glue is going to come out from under the seam. So you're going to try to wipe that off as soon as you can. Don't let it dry on there. That's going to ruin your thumb grip. Once I take away the excess, I'm going to press it down again. Usually I'm going to choose to do that just with my finger. If I do it with the paper towel is going to stick to your thumb grip, and so will the lint on this paper towel. So just use your finger. Once you feel like you've probably held it down long enough, you can test by raising it up a little bit. If it doesn't budge, then you're usually fine. And I just try to make sure that no one's going to use this bow for at least 12 hours while the glue is curing.